Have you ever wondered what Stable Diffusion in AI is? Well, let's break it down. Stable Diffusion is a rather recent development in the field of artificial intelligence. It's a fascinating concept that plays a significant role in the training of generative models. Imagine for a moment you're an artist. Now, instead of a paintbrush, you're wielding algorithms and data. This is what Stable Diffusion allows us to do in the AI universe. It's like the scaffolding that helps build intricate AI structures. Stable Diffusion is a method that takes us on a captivating journey, from random noise to a well-structured model. It's like watching a beautiful painting emerge from a blank canvas, dot by dot, stroke by stroke, all guided by the invisible hand of algorithms. This might sound like the stuff of science fiction, but it's happening right here, right now in the world of AI. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of Stable Diffusion. Are you finding our journey into Stable Diffusion insightful? If so, please show your support by hitting the like button. It helps us reach more AI enthusiasts like you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into AI topics you're to understand. Now, let's continue exploring the captivating world of Stable Diffusion. So, what exactly is this Stable Diffusion we've been talking about? Well, let's dive right in and unravel this intriguing concept. Stable Diffusion is a mechanism in artificial intelligence that revolves around the transformation of noise. Yes, you heard that right, noise! But this isn't the kind of noise that makes you want to cover your ears. In the realm of AI, noise refers to random, unpredictable data points. Now imagine having a white canvas symbolizing this noise. The process of Stable Diffusion is akin to an artist gradually adding layers of paint, transforming the random noise into a meaningful picture. The key here is the term stable. It underscores the fact that the transformation process doesn't cause any wild swings or erratic changes. Instead, it maintains stability, keeping things smooth and consistent throughout. This approach is a remarkable advancement over traditional generative models. You see, in the past, generative models would often struggle with complex data sets, resulting in unstable, unpredictable outputs. Think of it like trying to paint a masterpiece with a shaky hand. It's not going to turn out well, is it? But with Stable Diffusion, we've essentially developed a steadier hand. It allows us to generate high-quality samples, even when dealing with complex, high-dimensional data. It's like we've gone from finger painting to creating a Renaissance masterpiece. Moreover, Stable Diffusion doesn't just handle complexity well, it embraces it. It turns the chaotic mess of noise into beautifully structured output, all while maintaining stability. This is why Stable Diffusion is such an exciting development in the world of AI. It's like finding a method to turn random squiggles into a Picasso painting every single time. So, to put it simply, Stable Diffusion is the process of methodically transforming random noise into meaningful samples, ensuring stability and embracing complexity. It's less about creating something out of nothing and more about revealing the hidden beauty within the chaos. Now that we've got the basics down, let's explore why Stable Diffusion is so important. Why should we care about Stable Diffusion? Is it really that important, you may ask? Well, let's dive right into the heart of it. Stable Diffusion is like the secret ingredient in a master chef's recipe, transforming AI from good to great. Its superpower lies in its ability to generate high-quality samples with finesse and precision. It's like having a world-class artist at your disposal, crafting detailed and realistic outputs. But the magic doesn't stop there. Stable Diffusion outshines other methods with its efficiency. Think of it as a speed train in the world of snail-paced conventional methods. It's not just about getting the job done, but getting it done well and swiftly, saving precious computational resources. These advantages are pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve, making it an indispensable tool in the AI toolkit. It's like having a Swiss Army knife that's a cut above the rest. Stable Diffusion is certainly shaking things up in the AI world, but what's next? The world of AI is ever evolving. So what's next for Stable Diffusion? Just as the chameleon adapts its colors to new surroundings, Stable Diffusion too has the potential to adapt and revolutionize various industries. Imagine a gaming world where AI characters possess an uncanny ability to mimic human behavior, all thanks to Stable Diffusion. Now, let's take a leap from the virtual to the real world. Picture a healthcare system where AI models, equipped with Stable Diffusion, can predict diseases with exceptional accuracy before they even show symptoms. It's like having a crystal ball, but one powered by algorithms instead of magic. But it doesn't stop there. Stable Diffusion could redefine efficiency across industries. From optimizing logistics and supply chain management to enhancing predictive models in finance, the possibilities are limitless. Stable Diffusion is not just an exciting development in AI, it's a glimpse into the future of technology. And that future is looking pretty bright, don't you think?